Hello everyone, my name is Hamed Gholamrezai from Quri Architecture Academy. In this tutorial, we will learn about 3 new features in SketchUp 2022. The freehand tool is the first tool that has been improved. Its drawing method is the same as before, but it has a new feature. We can increase or decrease the number of line segments. With the control button, the number of segments decreases. And with the alt button, the number of segments increases. The next tool is arc. The most important improvement that has happened in this tool is the ease of drawing it. Like the previous versions, you can increase or decrease the number of segments by holding the control button and plus, or for more accuracy, you can use arrows when drawing. The next new tool added in version 2022 is called search scenes. This tool will be useful when you have different cameras with different angles.